As far as Doge support floor, it generally is presently $0.56, which explicitly is very critical. Dogecoin cost examination really is negative today in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin in a real sense has a medium-term opposition at $0.64, so as far as Doge support floor, it for the most part is currently $0.56 in an exceptionally significant manner. Doge by and large rose 21.09% in 7 days, or so they basically thought. 31 Walk 2024. In this video we will sort of walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and in every practical sense attempt to answer these. Regularly basically got clarification on some things facts. What certainly is transient cost expectation for Dogecoin really is Doge a very wise speculation, which especially is genuinely huge. Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so on, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. However, prior to jumping especially profound into the Doge specialized investigation, in every practical sense, let us basically discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, which explicitly is very critical. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there certainly was a defeat of 184%, bringing the really whole cryptographic money market to $2, 675, 555, 602, 461, so 31 Walk 2024. In this video we will walk you through Dogecoin cost investigation for now or for most certainly 1 week from now and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these regularly most certainly clarified some pressing issues facts, what generally is momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin. Sort of is Doge a sort of wise venture? The especially absolute exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $62, 396, 878, 040, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 52% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%, so Doge sort of rose 21.09% in 7 days, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking, which essentially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $70, 740.73 level after a vertical development of some 74%. So market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 184%. Bringing the very whole digital money market to $2, 675, 555, 602, 461, so 31 Walk 2024. In this video we will generally walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and especially attempt to answer these much of the time truly got clarification on some things facts. What truly is certainly momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin truly is Doge a by and large wise venture, or so they generally thought. Various elective cryptographic forms of money as Ethereum for the most part has seen a cost increment of 2.6% coming to $3, 624.28 during the past 24 hours in a kind of significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $604.84, following a value change of 0.5% within a similar time span, showing how as far as Doge support floor, it in every way that really matters is presently $0.56 in an exceptionally huge way. Sol, the especially local coin of Solana, certainly is somewhere around 0.17 and presently exchanging at $196.69, showing that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 2.6% coming to $3, 624.28 during the past 24 hours, or so they in every practical sense thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a very descending heading for genuinely momentary in a very huge manner. As of now, a truly broad, exceptionally regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a genuinely large manner. Dogecoin backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to fundamentally recognize most certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in every way that really matters, enormous way. Support explicitly is a level at which purchases basically become most certainly more essentially dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling in especially further in a very significant manner. Similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which dealers by and large become move certainly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Following in every practical sense are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin Doge in a real sense is at $21, down 102% in the very beyond 24 hours and basically has a value change of 21.09% throughout the week, showing how similarly obstruction, especially as a level at which vendors most certainly become move pretty dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from moving most certainly higher in a really significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC most certainly is 2,105,039,247 US, while kind of complete market cap came to $29,744,335,423 US in every practical sense significant way. There in a real sense are practically 143,693,706,384 by and large are available for use out of 143,693,763,84, showing how Dogecoin cost examination in a real sense is negative today in a huge manner. Dogecoin value investigation Doge cost examination for 31 walk 2024 inside and all things considered, everyday time span truly made sense of beneath, which truly is genuinely critical. We utilize pretty relative strength indexes, moving especially normal union and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward. Genuinely normal SMA and outstanding moving really normal amount to generally dissect the future development of the Dogecoin, showing how these occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market basically is going in a kind of descending heading for sort of present moment, which truly is genuinely huge. While Doge's Williams percent R pointer in a real sense is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange commonly signal basically is in every practical sense conceivable at this reach, which basically is genuinely critical. The MACD line really is remaining underneath of the by and large sign line after a hybrid, so which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $70,740.73 level after a vertical development of 0.74%, so market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there was a defeat of 184%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $2,675,555, 602,461, so 31 walk 2024. In this video, we will by and large walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these regularly. Certainly got clarification on some things, facts, what in every practical sense is especially transient cost expectation for Dogecoin. Is Doge a very wise speculation, which by and large is genuinely huge? Dogecoin financial backers need to truly sit tight for any directional change over the kind of day-to-day graph, in every way that really matters. Further appearance how Dogecoin cost examination truly is negative today, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The very relative strength record RSI shows that the Dogecoin basically is in oversold stage, as RSI especially is at 24, certainly further appearance